Am I gonna be offensive to mimes? Hey friends, today I'm gonna do something that's been going around the internet for a while. I'm going to be following a tutorial of the one and only James Charles. I'm gonna do this. Insert picture here. Now, the reason I chose this picture was because it was, in my opinion, one of the more difficult ones. And if it goes badly, I can just say that it was just too hard for me. But the truth is, I don't know anything about makeup. When I wear makeup, you guys know me, I have currently a bare face. But if I wear makeup, it's like I curl my eyelashes and I like swipe the mascara on and then like put a little pressed powder. That's the extent of my knowledge. For makeup, we have this lovely panel of things, which you can't really see very well. But you guys remember this, my palette of face paints that was 50 cents at Walmart. And the rest of the makeup that I have was from when I was a child. And I don't mean like 2 years ago when I was a child. I mean like 2006. This is probably gonna turn out really badly. I'm sorry, James Charles. Not that you're ever gonna see this, but I want to put that out into the universe that I'm apologizing to him right now. Because this is gonna be bad. Overall, I just apologize for this, you guys. Everybody that's ever gonna see this, I apologize to you. And I apologize to my skin as well. Because this is not good. I think if you were actually a makeup person, you would like have a bunch of concealer, I think, and highlighter, right? And that's how they make their faces white. But we don't have any of that. Wow, what a Friday night activity. You know, something about James Charles, something that I have in common with him, is that we have really intense eyebrows. And I think he enhances his, but mine really don't need any enhancing. My face is gonna match my shirt. I didn't think this through. We might as well just start with the red. Why not? Why not just go into it? Let's go into our toolbox and see what we have. Old Lip Smacker. You guys remember this gooey stuff, which it still smells like strawberry kiwi. Yeah, it's just as sticky as it was. Oh, I got paint on my laptop. This is horrible. But we can't stop now. Because that's what this channel is all about. Setting goals and then failing miserably, but it's okay because we tried. And we had fun, and it's all about having fun, isn't it? Yes, it is. This makeup kit always makes me think of Shrek. If you don't know why, go back into my videos. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on. You know, maybe we should have done the black first and then the red over it. But were we really expecting this to turn out like the original anyway? Oh guys, I think the key to it is just smearing everything around. Well, was it everything you dreamed? It was, indescribable for me. Comment down below if I need to get a life. I'm gonna go wash this off before it permanently damages my skin and eyes. And have a great day.